Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's Rashida and I'm back with another video. And I am back. Like I left. It was noticeable that I left because child, your girl did not post for 2 years, okay? But anyways, if you've noticed on my channel, I hid all my videos. So like I just want to start a new slate. Start anew. That's a word. Yeah. Okay, I want to start a new slate on my channel. So anything you guys want to see, comment down below. I'm open for anything, pranks, anything, cooking videos, makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, anything, you name it. So let me know in the comment section, what would you like to see? Because you know I'm obviously doing this for y'all, so, and me of course, you know. But if you would like to know, but this video is on my hair, how I got this hair. Well, not how I got it, but how I revamped it, because I already had this hair and it's been like 3 years now, so it was shedding like crazy. I can't stop the shedding, but it's minimized. Okay, so I'll show you guys in this video how I got it to come back to life, bouncing and whatnot, and how I applied my wig. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, all right, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.
All right, dolls, here we go. So you gotta look at that wig. First of all, terrible. So we're gonna get it back to life. Like I said, the products that are in the sink or the products I'll be using, I'm gonna show y'all later in the video what I'll be using. I'm gonna start off with the water, getting it to be warm and saturating it through the hair. Get it wet, get it nice and wet, and then, you know, y'all see it. So I'm gonna just stop talking now and y'all just watch the video, okay? So real quick before I stop talking, I just want to let you know that all the products I use in this video will be in the description box below. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, okay? Okay, so I thought I'd let you guys know that I let it saturate with the silicone mix and the conditioner for about 6 to 7 minutes, and you could leave it in there longer. The longer the better, but I wanted to get this video over with, so I left it in there for about 6 minutes and then came back and rinsed it out. Alright, y'all, this is the install part. So what you guys missed was I just blow dried the hair and straighten it. That's all, nothing serious. Now I'm just doing my bow cap method, but this is not really how I do it. I just wanted to show you guys that you need to protect your hedges, and this is not the perfect method, but it's well working right now. And it was so late recording this video, so yeah. I will do a detailed or more detailed, install soon, so that's coming up soon. But here you guys go. Keep watching. Let me tell you something about this Adhesive, girl. You need to get you one because, child, it helped me. Like, it lasts so long, and the grip on this thing, your wig is not coming off anytime soon, child. I'm telling you. And I just love it. And it dries so fast. But I only need to apply 3 layers. Well, I think I applied 2, actually. I did 2 layers and called it a day. I was going to take it off soon, so I didn't feel like doing all of that. But yeah, you need to get you one. I'm telling you, seriously, go get you one right now. So I'm gonna just apply my wig. Y'all see that? Oh my god, the wig looks so good. But yeah, bye. So I let it go in and I had some more glue to those parts that are lifting up, and let it sit, and then apply the wig back on it. And that's because I already know how the wig was shaped, so I wasn't able to get the glue on my head, if that makes sense. But it will make sense when I do a more detailed, install for y'all. Yes, look at that bounce, y'all. And she's back. Yes, look at that bob. I brought it back to life, like I said. She's revamped. Period. Her. Say no. But y'all, yes, like, and I haven't blow dried my hair yet. Like, I haven't blow dried where I applied the glue on, and it's gripped. Like, it looks flawless. but I'm going to. So keep on watching. So I didn't feel like sitting under the dry, so I hand dried it, and I hand dried it till I felt like it was enough. Usually I sit under the dry for about 30 minutes, you know, but I hand dried it on hot hair, and we was good. And now I'm about to curl my hair and make it flatter. It's already flat, but she could be flatter, and that's what I'm doing here. And we're finished. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. If you like this video, thumbs it up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. It looks so good. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.